Hello everyone, I am Kuntal Pal. I study in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Dr. Sudhichandra Sud Degree Engineering College. As you all know, we have to do a mandatory training program at the end of third year to get a BTech certificate. But this year, the world is suffering from COVID-19 situation. We have to do our training program from home. So I have chosen Internshala as my training platform. They have been there for the past few years and they are providing pretty good training programs. So now I'll move on to my PC screen and show you how the training goes. Okay, now I'll just open the Chrome browser on my PC. I'll type trainings.internshala.com. So you can see that there is a dashboard option. I'll click on that and I'll click on go to training. So you can see that it is the progress report of my training program. Here you can see that the training is divided into 4 modules: HTML and CSS, Bootstrap, SQL and PHP. So in order to get the training certificate, you have to complete all 4 modules and give 4 module test of the modules, and then also have to give the final test. So in the final test you have to score at least 33% to get the certificate of completion. I'll come on to the certificate of excellence in the later part of the video. Okay, so I'll click on go to training. So you can see that the final test performance is showing. I have scored 96%. You can see that I have been given a top performer badge. I can just click on the download certificate button. So you can see the certificate, my name, the college name. You can see the marks. You can also hide the marks from here. You can also decide to hide the college name when you are generating the certificate. So I'll click on dashboard. So go to training. So go to training. Now I'll show the modules. You can see getting started is just basically a 2 video part. You can just start HTML and CSS module. So yeah, you can see that the videos are well elaborated and very neatly designed website. So they have videos, they have text parts, you can read them, and there is also installation guides for the softwares. They also provide links for the softwares. So the best part is that you watch a video, you learn something, then you have to give the quiz. So in quiz you can test your knowledge, whatever you have learned. If you fail, just see that it is the right answer. So I'll click on this, it is right. If I click on the other things, it will say me wrong, and so that it will show what is the right answer. If you fail on that, you can go back to the video, watch again and understand whatever they are trying to explain, and come back here. So there is also code challenges. So each and every part you have quizzes, code challenges. It will help you to understand more about the project. So at the end of the module you have given assignment. So assignment is completely not mandatory, I say, because you can do it or not do it, it's up to you. But if you do it, it will be better because you will learn more. So after the assignment part, you will have to give a module test. So this is an important part. You have to give module test for each and every module, because if you don't give the module test, the next module will not unlock. I cannot show you right now, but the other modules will be locked as I have completed already. You can see all the modules are unlocked. I just click on go to training, HTML and CSS module, and see that there is a module test.
Welcome to your.
So you can see I have scored 74%. So the questions are a bit tricky. Sometimes they ask you few questions which are theoretical. You don't always have to give the right answers, but it is good practice. So you get to know whatever you learned is right or not. So like that, there is bootstrap module.
Hi, welcome to the second module in this training
and module test. So like that, there is 4 modules. After completing the 4 modules, you come to the final test. So I'll see one more thing, that the module tests are 10 minutes long and 10 questions are there. So you have to complete 10 questions in 10 minutes. The final module test, however, is 40 questions long and you have given 40 minutes. You have to complete the test within 40 minutes. So you can see that I have 39 correct entries and 1 incorrect entries. So you can see whichever questions I have not given right answer. So I'll go to the progress report. So you can see I have submitted the HTML and CSS assignment. I haven't submitted the other 3 assignments because there was some issues going on. So you can see there is a final training project. You can submit that or not submit that, but I wish you submit that because it will enable you to achieve more knowledge. So now comes to the certificate of excellence. If you score minimum of 80% marks in the final test and submit the training project, so if they will evaluate your project. I have not yet submitted. I will try to submit it by today. So if they will evaluate your project, and if you score more than 70% in your project, they will give you a certificate of excellence. Okay. So the projects are, I'll show you how the projects there. You can download your videos. They will come in a zip file format. You can keep it to you for your future references. After you submit your assignment, you can download the instructor solution. So if you've done something wrong, you can check it from there. So I'll now show you the assignments whichever I have done. I'll show you the final HTML and CSS assignment. I'll click on file, open folder. So you can see project 1. I'll select open folder. Okay, so here's the project. So there is index.html and styles.css. Okay, so if I click on go live here, it will open a local server. You can see that there is a website front page. So in the final project, you have to make all these links clickable. It is already clickable, but it redirects to no page. So you have to link more pages to it. I'll show you once again. So just go live. Okay, so you have to if you click on shop now, it will open a new page. If you click on login, sign up, it will open in a new page. So in that way, you have to make a final project. So you can see last day of training, you get total of 40 days. So that's it. I'll move on to my face camera from now. Thank you. Okay guys, now you have all seen the training platform. I'll come to the end part of the video. All I can say is the training was pretty good. I got it at a cheap rate of $9.99 during the summer sale they were running. So I can say that all the videos were pre-recorded, and there was quizzes, puzzles, even code challenges. So if you watch a video, you forgot next day or maybe 1 hour after watching the video, but if you do the code challenges or quizzes, it will help you to remember the questions longer. And in terms of the final test, it was a bit tricky, but if you follow the modules and study the questions, the module test questions, you can easily give the final test. So that's it.